SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System Review. Elevate your game with the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System. Basketball enthusiasts of all ages can now bring the excitement of the game into their homes with the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System. This compact and versatile hoop system is designed to provide hours of fun while improving your basketball skills. We will explore the features and benefits of the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System, highlighting why it has become a favorite among basketball fans. 1. Durable and authentic feel. One of the standout features of the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System is its durability and authentic feel. The 18-inch by 12-inch shatterproof backboard, made from high-quality polycarbonate, ensures that this mini hoop can withstand intense dunks and shots. The spring-action breakaway rim mirrors the experience of a regulation hoop, allowing you to practice your slam dunks just like the pros. 2. Easy installation. Setting up the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System is a breeze. The system comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions, so you can have it up and running in no time. The included door mounts and pro-style 8-loop net ensure a stable and secure playing experience. Whether you hang it over a door or mount it on a wall, this mini hoop is ready for action. 3. Adjustable height. The Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System features an adjustable height option, allowing players of all ages to enjoy the game at their preferred level. Whether you're a young aspiring athlete or a seasoned player, you can customize the height to suit your skill level and practice various shots and maneuvers. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for family fun and friendly competitions. 4. Realistic gameplay. Despite its compact size, the SKLZ Pro Mini Hoop Basketball System delivers a realistic gameplay experience.